This isn't my first time coming to South Caicos for the year. I've already been here with customers before, but I'm just going to give you a little background and a little walk with me as I go to South Caicos yet again for the year to be able to show property and to showcase my properties. So my typical day in South Caicos began from this morning as I caught one of the local carriers to come over. Actually, I connected through Grand Turk and then over to South Caicos. Overall, the ride was probably, the flight was about 30 minutes between both locations. There is obviously a direct flight that comes to South Caicos on a Saturday, but I choose to come here during the week as it was a best fit my schedule. So of course, just as I hit the ground, I wanted to hit the ground running, and by going out to take drone photography and take updated photos of my listings, which is a perfect opportunity, as well as go and visit properties that I've already sold just to make sure that all the inspections were completed during my visit to South Caicos in such a limited time. So I had a blast just going out doing drone photography, like I said, inspecting my properties, and in between I had to take a break to, of course, come and enjoy lunch at the Cove, which is a special restaurant that's connected to the Sail Rock Resort. Apart from that, my day included going out and exploring the history of South Caicos. Of course, I visited Jerry's Camp, which is one of the old Navy US bases. I also went to the Boiling Hole. I visited the Sail Rock Resort. I visited the newly renovated East Bay Resort, which is now going to be called the Marriott. And I also had an opportunity to go to some of the local restaurants, as well as the fishery plant. Of course, you know that South Caicos is the fishing capital of the Turks and Caicos Islands and have one of the original fishing plants. And I had a blast just going and visit there, and also going to visit the Regatta Village. That's something where all the festivities are held, especially Big South Regatta. If you've heard about South Caicos, you must have heard about the Big South Regatta. Other than that, of course, stopping, sightseeing, I had to go back and finish off my property task by making sure that I had all of my properties looked after, and then just head back trying to catch that local carrier back to Grand Turk and back to Turk and back to Providenciales. It's been a long but eventful day on South Caicos. I'm now sitting in the newly built terminal on South Caicos, which is going to be welcoming a number of guests come the end of this year when the international flights arrive. But my highlight for the day was just, like I say, doing updated photos and drone photography of my properties. My clients are going to be happy. I'm so glad. It's so difficult to shoot drone photography in South Caicos, especially in the Bell Sound area, because the location is so close to the airport. Just being able to get the drone up in the air has proven challenging, but I think my clients are going to be happy with the end result. So I'm heading back to Provo and actually just going to hit the ground. I have one more appointment when I arrive in Provo before I end my day. That's the day of a real estate agent in South Caicos.